Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Hodler original clothing using Bitcoin. So let's get started. So a lot of companies reach out to me, and I was contacted by Hodler Originals, and I checked out their website. I thought it was pretty cool. The clothes are really cool. You know, they're designed for hodlers and people that are into cryptocurrency. I kind of like this one. It's kind of like the original Genesis block. If you look at it closely, you can see that embedded text about the January 2008 Chancellor Bank. Something about that. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So I like this T-shirt, and they got a lot of other cool clothing that's kind of sets you apart as a hodler. T-shirts, hoodies, formal shirts, and all that stuff. But what I really thought was cool was their checkout feature where you can pay in Bitcoin. So I'd like to show you how that works. Yeah, this is the shirt that I think is pretty cool. All right, and then I would go with the large. Let's hit add to cart. Okay, there it is. And we'll do the checkout, see what happens. All right, it's going to have me put in my personal information here. So I'll go ahead and get that part done. All right, so I've got that part done. All righty. All right, so I'm going to use Bitcoin here, and they have BitPay. So BitPay is a third-party Bitcoin processor that allows you to pay with Bitcoin. You will need to set up a BitPay account. It's not that difficult. You just go to their website and set up an account with your name and information. You do have to verify your identity with BitPay. I think this is one of those things where they're trying to get KYC enacted for people that are paying with Bitcoin, which is fine with me. It's no secret that I have Bitcoin, right? And then I want to pay with it. So let's go ahead and complete order. As you can see, you're directed to either sign up for a BitPay or log in, right? So I'll go ahead and continue here and log into my BitPay account. All right, and so you have various ways that you can use BitPay. I have an Electrum wallet with some Bitcoin in it. You could actually pay it right out of your Coinbase account if you want to do that as well. And then, as you can see, there's several other types of wallets that you can use. Pretty cool, right? So I'll do the Electrum. Let's see here. I guess you could have a BitPay wallet too. You can create a standalone BitPay wallet. But I've got the Electrum wallet. I'll go ahead and use that. Okay, you want to disable replace by fee. I can show you where that is. I'll go ahead and launch my Electrum Bitcoin wallet and show you that. So you guys can see it here. Okay, so if you go over to your settings, in your transactions, all right, and this is the one that you want to untick, right? You don't want it to keep trying, I guess. That's all right. We'll just close that. Right, disable replace by fee. Make sure we're using the official release. We're all good with that. Let's hit continue. All right, and it's going to give us this Bitcoin address. So I can copy these into my clipboard. Right, it's a BitPay invoice link, basically. Let's go back over here. And we're going to go to send. And we'll just paste in that address. It's a little hard to see in this wallet. So anyway, sorry, this is kind of hard to read. I do have a Bitcoin balance, and when I pasted in that BitPay information, it automatically filled in the amount and the destination for me, right? So I can just hit pay now. Because it's a relatively small amount of Bitcoin, the fee is a bit high compared to the amount that I'm spending, but I'm okay with that. Okay, so you can see that Bitcoin fee is like $6.22. But because it's only about around $70, it's saying, oh, this seems a bit high for what you're doing. But I'm okay with that. Told me to make sure that I disabled that. RBF, which we did. All right, and I got to put in my wallet password here. All right, I'll click send. And off it goes. Payment sent. Pretty cool. Right out of my Bitcoin wallet for that BitPay invoice request. There's my little transaction alert. And the website got my Bitcoin. Easy peasy, right? It's pretty cool. We just want to leave this window open for a bit until the payment is confirmed. And there it goes. Boom. We got it. All right, and then we can just return back to the website, I believe. Yeah, that's it. Boom. Got it. And I guess you could download this app to track your package. I'll probably just do the text, right? So you might want to check out this website. As you see, there's lots of cool Hodler type clothing for you to check out, and some interesting ways to pay for people that are in the know, right? You can always pay with a credit card if you want to, right? It's not a big deal. But I thought it was cool that you could pay with Bitcoin. So if you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.